Ever wondered how a missing tooth can affect your smile and confidence? Losing a tooth isn't just a physical loss, it can also usher in a wave of emotional and social challenges. Imagine feeling self-conscious every time you laugh or avoiding photos at social events. This gap can shake one's confidence, impacting social interactions and even professional opportunities, as a full smile often plays a role in first impressions. Additionally, missing teeth can lead to bone loss and alter facial structure, compounding the issue. Clearly, a missing tooth is more than just an aesthetic issue. Now, what are your options if you find yourself in this predicament? Let's delve into the three main avenues for tooth replacement, each with its own merits and considerations. First up, dental implants. Often hailed as the gold standard, dental implants offer a long-term solution for missing teeth. This process involves surgically inserting metal posts into the jawbone, which then serve as a sturdy base for the artificial teeth. Over time, these implants fuse with the bone, providing stability akin to that of natural teeth. While the procedure is more invasive and typically the costliest option, the durability and natural feel make it a popular choice. Next, let's talk about bridges. Dental bridges literally bridge the gap created by missing teeth. They consist of artificial teeth anchored by crowns fixed onto the adjacent natural teeth or implants. Bridges are a less invasive option compared to implants and are usually more affordable. However, they do require the alteration of adjacent teeth, which might not be ideal for everyone. Lastly, there are dentures. These can be full or partial, catering to the needs of those missing a few teeth or all of their teeth. Dentures are removable and the least invasive option. They also tend to be the most economical. However, they might not offer the same level of comfort or stability as implants or bridges. Comparing these options, it's clear that factors like durability, cost, comfort, and the specifics of the procedure play crucial roles in deciding the best fit. Each of these options has its own set of advantages and considerations. Before you decide, remember this crucial tip. When considering the replacement of a missing tooth, one might be tempted to jump straight into choosing the most convenient or cost-effective option. However, the guidance of a dental professional is invaluable in these situations. Dentists and oral surgeons bring a wealth of knowledge that is essential for making an informed decision that aligns with your unique oral health and aesthetic goals. A dental professional evaluates the overall health of your mouth, the condition of your surrounding teeth, and your personal preferences. This holistic approach ensures that the chosen tooth replacement not only looks natural but also functions effectively, enhancing your quality of life. They can discuss the pros and cons of various options like implants, bridges, or dentures, tailored specifically to your circumstances. Additionally, professionals can foresee potential complications and offer preventive advice that could save you time and discomfort in the long run. Make sure to consult your dentist to find the best pathway to restore your smile and confidence.